In this tutorial, we'll look at how to update content without having to reschedule the content to the media player. This is possible if you are modifying a sequence or a page that's already scheduled, and if you keep the name of the page and sequence unchanged from how it was originally published. First, we'll need to see what project and sequence are already scheduled out to our player. So in Noventri Suite, go to the Schedule tab, and then select the player that you'd like to see the schedule for. We'll click Edit, and that will pull up the schedule. And for this particular player, it's playing the HR announcement sequence from the Parcel United project. If we go into the Manage tab, we can see a preview of what is currently displaying out on the screen. So let's say we'd like to add or remove a page from this sequence that's currently playing. Well, first we need to go into the Design tab and open up the project. Then we'll go to the Edit Sequence tab, and here we have our sequence, HR Announcements. To add a page to the sequence, click on the page thumbnail. Then in the sequence timeline, we can adjust the display time as well as add a transition to that page if so desired. If we want to remove a page, then we'd simply highlight it and press the delete key on your keyboard. So in this sequence, we've added a production page to our sequence timeline. To get that page to play, now we just save the project, and then we're going to publish those changes out to the server. If we go back into the Manage tab, as the player updates that content, we'll be able to see the changes playing out there on the screen. Those changes are able to be displayed without rescheduling because the player is looking for the HR announcements sequence, and it's going to play whatever pages are in that sequence when we publish that project. We can also make edits to the individual pages in a sequence, and as long as the page name is not changed, the edits will display once the project is saved and published. Say it's been requested that we change the image showing on the HR Reminder page. Back in the Design tab, we're going to go to Edit Page and look for the HR Reminder page. So the HR announcement is going to change to a safety tip for safe lifting. So we select the corresponding image, and now we're going to save the page and then publish our changes to the server. In the Manage tab, we can see that once the project is updated, our changes are in effect. As you can see, this certainly is a time-saving way to be able to update content without having to reschedule the content to the media player. To learn more about using Noventri Suite and Noventri projects, check out the Noventri forum, where you will find user manuals, tutorials, and videos to help you get the most from your Noventri experience.